orientation. And we're introducing a brand new feature that combines the front and rear cameras. Dual capture video is perfect to record yourself while at a concert or your reaction to the game's big play. The new stabilization from the front camera keeps you in frame.
Is the most power-efficient iPhone we have ever made. We started building Apple Silicon to enable us to create better products. And iPhone Air is the realization of that goal. Back to John.
The camera system in iPhone Air delivers the most popular features that make iPhone the world's favorite camera. What might appear to be a single camera is actually our new, powerful 48 megapixel Fusion camera system, which works like multiple advanced cameras in one. You can shoot breathtaking 48 megapixel photos, capturing even the small trees across the valley and the deep color range on the stone wall. And the 2x telephoto has an updated photonic engine, which now uses machine learning to capture the lifelike details of a fast aperture and our Apple-designed sensor shift optical image stabilization. The large sensor enables a second optical quality lens, the integrated 2x telephoto, delivering stunning photos and 4K videos. With the power of computational photography, this incredible system enables the latest signature features of the iPhone camera. And we're introducing a brand new feature that combines the front and rear cameras. Dual capture video is perfect to record yourself while at a concert or your reaction to the game's big play. The new stabilization from the front camera keeps you in frame, while the Fusion main camera on the back gives you the flexibility to zoom into the story you want, like action mode, audio mix, 4K Dolby Vision, and all the features of camera control. There's another important innovation that helped bring iPhone Air to life, and that is eSIM. We pioneered eSIM years ago, and now it's an industry standard. And compared to that decades-old piece of plastic, eSIM is so much easier to use, has better security, and saves precious space inside iPhone. eSIM is also great for travel. While on the road, there's no need to change physical. We innovated in both hardware and software to deliver great battery life for iPhone Air. Powered by our most advanced Apple Silicon built for efficiency. The internal design has been completely rethought to maximize battery space. And iOS 26 introduces new power-saving features like adaptive power mode, which learns your usage patterns and anticipates when you might run low on battery, intelligently conserving power to help you make it through the day. Now, despite being much thinner and lighter, iPhone Air still gets amazing all-day battery life. This is incredible. That's enough to binge on all 40 episodes of For All Mankind, making it a great accessory for long trips. New low-profile MagSafe battery that when attached feels great in your hand and is slim enough to shadow. The second is a lightweight bumper made from a reinforced polycarbonate. It perfectly frames iPhone Air and is available in 4 matching colors. Both options can be paired with the new crossbody strap. It's lined with thin, flexible magnets designed to hold the straps together and allow you to easily adjust the length. So that's the incredibly advanced iPhone Air, with pro performance inside. Incredible durability, amazing camera systems on both front and back, and our latest Apple-designed chips built for efficiency to deliver fantastic all-day battery life. All this in a new design that frankly seems impossible.